In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your internet connection seems unstable error on the GCash app. So of course, the first thing you may want to check and try to resolve is your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Make sure that either of the two you're using is stable and is working properly. You can also try switching networks or turning the airplane mode on and off. Another fix that you can try is closing the GCash app completely. Simply close the app and try opening it up once again. Next, on your phone, head over to Settings, then go to App Management or App List. From here, simply search for GCash, then click on Storage and Cache, and clear your app's cache. Next is go to Play Store or App Store and search up GCash. And from here, check if there are any available updates for the app. And of course, make sure that you install those updates, for old versions can cause connectivity errors. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!